Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. Firstly, let's take a quick look at the headlines. President Drupadi Murmu confers Padma Awards. Former Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Bharatnatyam dancer Dr. Padma Subramaniam honoured Padma Vibhushan. ECI sets up task force to monitor heat wave impact during election period. Meghalaya said to experience hot and rainy weather. Government monitors event of extreme weather. Repolling underway at 11 polling stations under Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency. Two minor girls drowned at Rilang River. Third girl faced to save duo and later rescued by 14-year-old boy. And fortnightly celebration commemorating World Health Day 2024 ends today at Way Lincoln. The news in detail. President Drupadi Murmu is presenting the Padma Awards at the civil investiture ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi today. President Murmu conferred Padma Vibhushan on former Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Bharatnatyam dancer Dr. Padma Subramaniam. The Padma Vibhushan is also being awarded to Bindeshwar Pathak posthumously. Actor Mithun Chakravarti and singer Usha Uthup also received the Padma Vibhushan award. The other Padma Vibhushan awardees include philanthropist Dr. Sitaram Jindal, cardiologist Dr. Tejas Madhusudan Patel and former Uttar Pradesh Governor Ram Nayak. The Election Commission of India (ECI) is taking proactive measures to mitigate heat wave impact during the general election 2024. The ECI also held a meeting with Indian Meteorological Department, National Disaster Management Authority and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Chaired by Chief Election Commissioner of India Rajiv Kumar, the ECI has set up a task force to monitor the heat wave impact during election period.
Phase-wise phase, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, to the extent you can tell us. And then on that basis, we want to facilitate all our voters, advise them that, so it's advisory to the voters, to the political parties, to the all stakeholders, our management of booths, and if it is required, so that is the first part, and second part, all the medical preparation of booths too. Combat heat if it is going to be different than what it was earlier years.
Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, while some areas brace for scorching temperature, others can expect much needed respite in the form of rain. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said the department is monitoring the situation, adding that the respective district administrations are on the job as they are monitoring the data and figures of the warnings. The government is strictly monitoring the event of extreme weather, either heat wave or thunderstorm, and decision will be taken accordingly.
But I don't have details, information right now with me. But if things happen, so let our concerned deputy commissioner from the concerned district, let's take stock of the situation and decide with respect to the functioning of the schools and institutions. All that. Let us see the data and the figure of the present situation, because yesterday there was some rain in Garens, some part of the district of Garens, mostly in South Kerala, but not much. So maybe heat waves may change after an hour, the night. But yes, we will monitor the situation, what happens. If that is so, if the heat wave is on a round, let the institutions take their own decision. And also we will instruct the deputy commissioner concerned the district, take stock of the situation and alert the head of institutions to take necessary and needful.
In Manipur, the repolling at 11 polling stations spread across Imphal East and Imphal West district under Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency went on smoothly. The returning officer of Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency reported that incidents of violence, riots and proxy voting were reported in these 11 polling stations during the voting on 19 of this month in the first phase of Lok Sabha polls and requested for repolling. Accordingly, the Election Commission of India directed repolling at these polling stations today from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. These polling stations are 7 in Imphal East District and 4 in Imphal West District. People came out in large numbers this morning at Wagesi in North Garo Hills to condemn the gruesome murder of 3 youth at Rongmil under Rongjeng police station in East Garo Hills recently. The deceased persons hailing from neighbouring Golpara in Assam were killed by unknown miscreants on April 16 and their bodies were partially burnt. Police recovered their charred bodies on April 17 and investigation is underway. 2 minor girls from Waset village, 7 kilometers from Maukarwat in southwest Khasi Hills district drowned on Sunday at Rilang River while swimming, while another minor girl was rescued by a 14-year-old boy. According to locals, the incident took place at around 1 to 1:30 p.m., wherein 4 minor girls went to a place called Tway Bray Meirit at Rilang River for bathing and swimming. The victims have been identified as Sabha Kmenlang Wanyang, 16-year-old, and Aisha Bankmen Thongni, 14 years old. On seeing the duo struggling in the Tway water, the third girl, Saphi Banroy Thongni, 15 years old, elder sister of Aisha Bankmen Thongni, tried to save them but was dragged by the strong current. Fortunately, a 14-year-old boy, Ilambok Dakhar, who was swimming in the upper stream, rushed to her and managed to rescue her. The 2 minor girls were fished out of the water by one person who is also a relative of the victims.
Ta den chom tinggal la nai chane la ti na ta den korban Arab ong Arab tawang nang pung tade banian ta ong pan Arab de tangang ade saptai laware yaware nang pung ceng dede na den seorang ngaj dan sotawe ong made lade ta ngor law saptai seor de dan ta den ting or di Arab tangan no kata kendawre tak or chan ngali tepeng ngalu thappo tang or kendiat na ta den ti or tangkilik or pelaj or kimoj ta den kata kirin sem or salut lot ya curing lah kiat alah ketewa kesoor lar dan kena.
A fire broke out in Puskani Para Bazaar in Chibinang area of West Garo Hills district of Meghalaya this afternoon. The fire broke out in the market and caused a commotion. The fire was extinguished by fire tenders with the help of local residents, but 2 shops were completely burnt. The damage was estimated at 3 lakh rupees. The exact cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today visited the world's highest battlefield, Siachen, to carry out a first-hand assessment of the security situation. He interacted with the soldiers deployed in the extreme weather and tough terrain conditions. Addressing the soldiers, Mr. Singh said, "Nation will remain forever indebted to the armed forces personnel and their contributions will forever be an inspiration for the future generation." Mr. Singh also laid a wreath at the Siachen War Memorial. He was accompanied by the Chief of the Army Staff General Manoj Pandey and senior army officials. To commemorate World Health Day 2024, fortnightly activities in the state were organized by the National Program Climate Change Human Health in collaboration with National Health Mission Employees Association of Meghalaya today. Being the last day was marked by an awareness program with the theme My Health, My Right at Wailingkut Market Station in East Khasi Hills. Speakers spoke on different issues like climate change, the healthcare system in the state, while stressing the importance of maternal and child health, encouraging institutional deliveries and routine immunization. Around 400 participants from different schools participated in the program. The event also saw a rally from the Wailingkut Market Station to Nong-Ur Wailingkut PHC. And in sports and IPL cricket, Rajasthan Royals will lock horns with Mumbai Indians at the Sawai Mansingh Stadium in Jaipur today. The match will start in a short while from now at 7:30 a.m. Last night, Gujarat Titans beat Punjab Kings by 3 wickets at Maharaja Yadavindra Singh International Cricket Stadium in Chandigarh. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 26.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 16.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 61%, while in the evening it was 46%. Forecast, moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. President Drupadi Murmu confers Padma Awards. Former Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Bharatnatyam dancer Dr. Padma Subramaniam honoured Padma Vibhushan. ECI sets up task force to monitor heat wave impact during election period. Meghalaya is said to experience hot and rainy weather. Government monitors event of extreme weather. Repolling underway at 11 polling stations under Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency. Two minor girls drowned at Rilang River. Third girl fails to save duo and later rescued by 14-year-old boy. And fortnightly celebration commemorating World Health Day 2024 ends today at Wailingkut. Well, viewers, that is all we have you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.